So I got booked for my dog like a shampoo session, and he is going for a shampoo. So for some reason he does this thing where he like goes some piece in the garage, and then he will go back into the house, walk out the back door, walk all the way across the lawn, across everything to the other door, and go drink water. And all those opportunities to not be in the garage, And it's just a nuisance to clean it. So self-sabotage. If you tell people like to stop killing each other or whatever, because you see all these things about space travel and building all this stuff, and like humanity will never achieve it. Like if they continue to blow all their money on killing each other, it's just unachievable. And we will be stuck here forever. If you take the amount of money that people blow on armies and what they could do for their people, because of this fabrications, like of this, people don't even know why is people enemies of people, it's so long, and like China, Russia, freaking nobody even knows anymore, and if you for some reason like your entire life like reject your religion or the mainstream religion, and claim it to be something that's very unpopular, where you stay, like I am more attracted to being Jewish, I mean, that's self-sabotaging completely, It's just like anything you say that's against the popular demand or whatever the mainstream wants, being a vegetarian, being just thinking different, or anything, or have a different opinion, or just not just folding and stating what you believe in, is self-sabotaging. And I'm saying this because my rabbi was talking about it, and I think to hell with it. Sabotage yourself, I mean, I have gotten myself out of relationships, that I was very determined and very devoted to, and it would have been not a nice experience for me, purely based on I would have had to adopt and mimic like a religious concept that I do not believe in. So I asked my mom to take like a personality test, I'm almost done here helping her. This whole thing, like this whole, sounds like one big con, this old age home business. I don't get it. Why she would want to do it? It's completely made me broke. And